Hello everyone, and welcome back to the current setup and state of affairs. So this may look like a new fancy desk, but it's not. I fished it out of the dumpster. Not actually the dumpster, it was next to the dumpster. But yeah, someone was throwing it away, and yeah, it looked like a nice addition to the desk. Not probably a permanent fixture, but a temporary permanent fixture. There's Panch. He's doing a great job helping out. So we have this single monitor mount, and what I'm going to do now is install a double monitor mount. So, yeah, we got this monitor over here, which is considerably worse than the one that we have right here. This is a 27-inch curved monitor. It's pretty nice. I really like it. It's not incredibly high refresh rate or anything. I think it's about it's 60 hertz. So it's not amazing and mind-blowing, but it's pretty good. But this one over here is from 2008, and it's more of just like a browsing Reddit type monitor. Nothing else. And maybe just like a streaming type monitor to watch the stream and stuff, and maintain all the little sidebar stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get this installed, and we'll get back to you. By the way, this is recorded on a new phone. My old one is having it's having problems. Yeah, the battery will not hold a charge if it's not plugged in. So, I got this one. It's Motorola Moto X4, the Hello Moto type ones. Yeah, and it tells you Hello Moto every single time you open it. So I turned that feature off, and there's probably some other bloatware I need to uninstall on this thing. But it's a pretty nice phone, really good picture quality, really good, well, I think really good video quality. I haven't actually tested my footage. But yeah, it seems decent. It's got a 12 megapixel camera on the back and an 8 megapixel camera on the back. Unfortunately, I can't switch between the two while recording. And actually, I don't even know how to switch in between the two right now. So I think it's just using the 12 megapixel. It better be using the 12 megapixel. And then the front-facing camera is a 16 megapixel camera, which is cool. Yeah, I don't need to switch to that one. I haven't done my makeup yet. Yeah, so what I'm going to do right here is unscrew this and screw it into this one and attach this on this ugly little chair that I have. It's a Goodwill chair. But yeah, we're going to attach this thing and this monitor. Yay. Oh. Okay, so it's up, it's working, and you can see here's my new setup. It's a stick. No, just kidding. It's the pole that this attaches to. Oh, upside down. Can you see that? I think you can. Basically, it'll be right here. I'm trying to get this as close to the middle as possible. But yeah, it's probably going to require some adjustments. It can hold up to two 27-inch monitors, which is pretty great. This one monitor that I have is much less than 27 inches, but the main monitor I have, the curved one, is 27 inches, so yeah, it's a little bit of a process, and it's going to require some finagling, but I'll manage. Andrew's talking. Okay, so the monitor mount's installed. I centered it just how I want. I have it at the same level that I want, and everything should be good to go. All I need to do now is hook the two top screws right on here, and install it. And that shouldn't be too difficult. This thing right here, it has like a little tension screw that you really have to ream down on to make sure it stays and doesn't move. Otherwise, your whole little setup's gonna slip down and down and down. So, let's get that installed. Monitor mount's installed just how I like it. Angled very severely downwards. So the thing I liked about the other monitor mount that I have is that it doesn't really require much to adjust it. You just kind of need to move it precisely into place and it'll stay exactly there. This one, you kind of got to screw things in and unscrew things, loosen things, tighten things to make sure it is where it is. So this I need to screw, I think I need to tighten this to make sure that it is good. Then I'll need to tighten this one to make sure it's good, this one to make sure it's good, this one to make sure it's good, and then this one to make sure it's good. So it's going to take a lot of that. So yay. Okay, second monitor is up. Now, I'm not going to be one of those weird people that have vertical monitors. Or maybe I am. I don't even know anymore. I probably will. I might. We'll see if I like it. But yeah, the cool thing about this is right now I have this monitor hooked up to my laptop. Just because most of my stuff is on my laptop. It's what I've been using for most of the stuff that you've ever seen on the channel. But eventually, I would like to be able to use this monitor and this monitor hooked up to this. Now, eventually, I think what I'll end up doing is unplugging this monitor from this laptop and plugging it in instead to this one only. So what I can do is I'm doing my normal thing at this desk right here, right? And with both monitors when I'm using this computer. And if I need to switch over, I just scoot my seat on over and sit here. I move this monitor. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Come on, you can do it. Perfect. Come on, you can do it. Don't embarrass me. Maybe? Okay, close enough. Okay, you get the concept. Let's not step on things. So yeah, maybe like that. And then I could have dual monitors for both of my laptop and my PC. So let me know what you think of that. I think what I need to do next is actually hook these things up and get them all working. So, yep, that's it. Okay, yeah, and here it is again with the wide-angle lens. I didn't realize I was recording with the other one. But yeah, normal monitor, vertical monitor, laptop, computer. Yay! Okay, can you see okay? Right now I have it set up so that it's hooked up to the laptop with this display. So this is in its laptop only mode, and I have dual screens, vertical, and I can switch that pretty easily. I just need to turn it on the monitor mount. And so yeah, this is pretty simple. What I'll show next is it's set up with this. Okay, it is all set up for the PC, yes. So I've got these two monitors displayed. You can see them here when I click on it. And you can see the rest of it. Oh, that's cool. I have a little scroll wheel. It's nifty. Yeah, I can like change the brightness or darkness of it. It's pretty nifty. No, is that contrast? I don't know what it is. I'm bad at this sort of thing. But yeah, so I have these two hooked up to the PC. Unfortunately, I can't do that for my laptop because it doesn't have two display ports. But yeah, this computer has like at least 8 display ports. It's crazy. But yeah, so I've got these two hooked up and should be able to use them whenever I want. It's pretty awesome. Alright, well, next step obviously is going to be the cable management, and that's kind of going to be a pain, so I'll get back to you when that's probably done. Maybe. Okay, so here's the completed monitor mounts. Oops. I'm not supposed to see that. Oh, yep. Perfect. Speakers still don't work, but it looks dumb if they're knocked over. So yeah, here it is. Here's how it looks in the back of this. I just have this lamp set up as a backlight, not a permanent fixture, but a temporary one. So it's pretty nice little setup here with the dual monitor mounts. The power buttons for this one are on this side. The power button for this one is like on the underside, and it's pretty convenient. They're all close together and stuff. Yeah, I might just keep this one ready to be hooked up to whatever I feel like hooking it up to, and it'll be super useful. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it, and I think that's the end of this little update video. I guess it could be a review for that monitor mount. It'll probably end up in that video. But yeah, so here's the completed monitor mount build mounted to the little trash desk that I got. Okay, maybe I'm being stupid here, but I have an extra monitor mount, so now I have an extra monitor. I don't even know if this one works. I got it from my job, and they were tossing it out, and I've never been able to get it to turn on, but yeah. I just stuck it up there to see how it looks. I might keep it, I might not, I might install a different one. But the main goal is to try and get it working. And I don't know, maybe we could use it for cat pictures or something dumb. But yeah, I think it's probably excessive, I think. But I like it. Alright, that's the end of this video. Bye now.